Hello, yes. Welcome to TEF World History number 1, Human Evolution. The story of human evolution began in Africa about 6 million years ago, and it describes the very long process that our ancestors went through to become modern humans. What is evolution? Evolution means the changes that occur in a population over time. The definition of population means a group of the same species that share a specific location and habitat. Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens evolved about 200 to 1,050,000 years ago in Africa. But their story is different. Their species stretches back much farther than that with early humans' ancestors. And the evolution of Homo sapiens is itself a tangled tale. By the way, this is an image of Earth. Just so you know, Homo sapiens lived on Earth, not in outer space. Most of us have heard the story about how Homo sapiens poured out of Africa into Europe and Asia, starting about 80,000 years ago. But what you might not realize is that our ancestors, Homo erectus, has been taking the same routes out of Africa on and off for over 1 billion years. Something mysterious happened about 80,000 years ago that reduced humans' population. There are a lot of theories about how this could have happened, but nobody knows for sure. Everybody, Homo sapiens are still evolving, and one day we might be extremely different from what our ancestors used to look like. Now, Homo erectus. Homo erectus had large brains. Their brain size was from 54 to 67 cubic inches. Their skull was really thick, with a sloping forehead and large eyebrows. They also had massive jaws and had no chin. Homo erectus lived in Africa. Their homes were often found in forests, plains, grasslands. Scientists believed that these people lived in oval huts and caves. They believe oval huts were made out of straw and grass. Homo erectus people didn't have many tools, but their best tool was a hand axe. They cut meat and dug with it. They also had rocks and stones. They used the stones and rocks to cut their meat. When they went hunting, they used wooden spears to kill animals. They produced meat by using fire sticks rubbed together rapidly to make fire. Homo erectus people were the first ones to make fire. At first, scientists believed that Homo erectus people could not make fires on their own. The people would bring back fire supplies, such as branches that caught on fire. They needed the fire for light and warmth. They also used fire for hunting and catching animals that were frightened and ran away. Eventually, they found out how to make their own fires. They grabbed a stick and a stone and rubbed them together, creating sparks and heat. Soon, there will be a fire. Did you know Homo erectus was also called the upright man?
What are you singing Sunday comedy?